Hello everybody, we're here at ESGCT and today I am at the Spanish Society of Gene and Cell Therapy with two new friends. We have Sergi and Gonzalo.
Yeah.
Yes, and Sergi, you're studying AAV?
Yeah.
And you're in your doctoral program now, you said?
I'm a junior postdoc.
You're
a junior postdoc. Yeah.
Junior postdoc. And for Gonzalo, you're actually studying cell therapy, yes?
Yes, I work with TILs, which are tumor-infiltrating lymphocyte. I'm a PhD student in my second year.
And you guys both shared with me a few minutes ago that you both brought some research to the show this year, yes? What is your research on? You said you have a poster, you had a talk?
I had a talk yesterday about AAVs for ALS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. So we're trying a new protective protein for this disease.
Oh, that's really important. That's excellent. And how about yourself?
I work with TILs as well. I have a poster about how can improve TIL therapies for pediatric tumors in children.
Oh, okay, that's excellent too. Okay, so what made you both want to get into life sciences? What was the big spark for you that made you want to pursue your career?
I think in my case, I always like science, and I thought that maybe that way I could get closer to patients or feel like I was doing something meaningful for society, and that maybe it was just a little small step, but if I could contribute with that, I would just be happy to help.
Yeah, it would be very, very fulfilling, yes?
Yeah.
Yes, and how about you?
In my case, I think it's the same. In high school, I always loved biology. I'm so related with cells. Now in the career, we focus more in the immunology, so I think I landed in the perfect field, working with the TILs. And as also Sergi said, it's like maybe to improve these therapies, to try to solve these problems. And maybe if I can contribute with one single steps, I'm happy with that.
Just like Sergi, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you guys, have you been to ESGCT before? Any previous years? You've been to the show before?
Yeah.
How many years have you been coming?
I think this is my fifth year.
Fifth year. Okay. So and how about you?
It's totally different because this is my first year.
This is your first year. Okay. Okay. So for you, why do you think people should come to ESGCT?
For me, one of the most important things is all the networking you get at the ESGCT. You get to meet a lot of collaborators that maybe you don't see on your daily life, but then you get to catch up with them, just have some meetings. Also, we have a lot of activities, especially for young researchers, and you actually get to meet them again and just keep updated and see how everything is going with their research, with their life. So I think for me, the human part or the social part is the most important part, but also you get a lot of nice and breakthroughs in all the talks that are really, really important for people who's working in.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. I would assume that it's a very accessible and embracing society, a community of sorts. And so, of course, for here in Spain, it's pretty important to join a society like yours, of course, to try to continue the discussions throughout the year. You would agree?
Yeah, I think so. Here in Spain, we have a society. We can share our knowledge to improve our own research in our country. But also in Congress like that, we have to share with them our discoveries or researchers to improve the networking between countries, to have these boundaries with the youngers. Like, for example, in my case, I'm new in this Congress, so I discovered a lot of people here. I'm doing a lot of networking, so I'm very happy being here.
Yes, it's very important to come out to the shows to network. I totally understand that. Now, when you kind of think about the science that you're seeing and that you're reading all about, is there anything that is kind of very exciting to both of you that you're finding out here at this year's ESGCT Congress?
Well, that's what I said. It's Sonia Gadan talk that how to improve. In his case, is CAR T therapy. But we knock out some genes, how to improve the T cell functions. I think I very like that, and I could implement it in my work field.
Oh, that's great. How about you? Anything that you're excited about?
Yeah, well, there are still many talks ahead, but maybe I would say that I work in the CNS field, so yesterday there were really nice talks from Beth Davidson and Professor Fratta, who works in ALS, so this is my field, so for me it was a really, really nice talk, and I was expecting that talk.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really great. And that's another good reason to come to these conferences, to see these people in person.
And their last updates on their work, of course.
Any advice that you would have to folks who are interested in joining the life sciences industry as a whole and want to pursue this as a career?
Well, I think that the most important is that you have passion for your topic and for science. You should do it. you should go ahead. It's a hard way, it's true, but it's very rewarded.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
It's a hard path, but it's worth it at the end.
Okay, so it's worth it. So if you're sweating right now for all the exams that you need to take or all the things that you have to study, just follow your passion. It is worth it. And even if it's a little bit of a difference, it's still making a difference. Okay. All right, cool. Okay, so very excited to meet you both here at the show. If you are still here at ESGCT and you're watching this video right now, we'd love for you to stop on by and check out the folks from the Spanish Society of Gene and Cell Therapy, of course. And is there anything else coming up soon in the country that you guys want to promote? Any other conferences that are going on?
Yeah, we will have a workshop in Bilbao,
Oh, yeah.
which will be about AAVs as delivery vectors for gene editing. So anyone who's interested in that field, you can come to our booth and just discuss about it.
Okay, and that one is in Bilbao in September of this next year, yes? Okay, that sounds really cool. All right, again, thank you very much. It was a pleasure to meet you both.
Thank you.
Have a great show. Thank you. Bye, everybody.